Okay, so I'm on a walk, but I can't stop thinking about this story, so I thought I would share it. It's Nazi Germany, and there are two Nobel laureates in physics who don't want the Nazis to have their Nobel Prizes. One of them, James Franck, was Jewish. The other, Max von Laue, was a political opponent of the Nazis. So they sent their Nobel Prizes to Niels Bohr at his institute in Copenhagen. Niels Bohr was known as someone who was sympathetic to Jewish and other scientists who were persecuted by the Nazis. However, it was against the law to send gold outside of Germany. But Niels Bohr kept these two Nobel Prizes safe. That is until 1940, when the Nazis overtook Denmark. As the Nazis descended upon Copenhagen, Niels Bohr and his team had to figure out what to do with these two contraband Nobel Prizes. The prizes were ingrained with Franck and von Laue's names, so if the Nazis found them, they would know that they had sent gold outside the country. A chemist working for Niels Bohr, George de Havesy, said, "We can just dissolve these gold Nobel Prizes." But gold is like famously hard to chemically alter. That's why it doesn't turn it. So de Havesy pops these gold medals into a solution of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid and watches as they slowly dissolve. And now it's just a waiting game. The Nazis are approaching, and the gold is slowly dissolving into the solution. Right in the nick of time, the gold dissolves, and they have this orangey solution. They put it in a beaker on the top shelf and wait. As expected, the Nazis kind of investigate the entire institute, turn everything over. But they ignore this benign looking beaker of orange solution. So at the end of the war, George de Havesy undissolves the gold. They're then able to send it to Stockholm, where they remake the Nobel Prizes for Max von Laue and James Franck. And that's how Niels Bohr and his institute saved not only the Nobel Prizes, but the lives of these two physicists. I learned about this story through an article on NPR, so I'll list the title of that article in the comments below.